Because we want to. What?
Because nigga, we can.
That was literally the conversation that I had with my science teacher. Wait, so why are you guys not doing finals when all the other schools are? Well, so we were talking with our head of executives.
And he said, fuck you.
And he said, let's just do it in February since we're a new school. And I said, but why? He said, I don't know.
Why no?
And I was just like, you know what? Fuck you guys.
Because that's why, bitch.
Oh my gosh! Hold on, I'm selecting a mutation. I got a mutation for you guys.
Dude, I literally... No, I'm already playing freaking Four Swordsman.
Four Swordsman's gonna be hard, and we're not gonna do that without John.
Oh my god.
No, I got a good one. It's like Four Swordsman, but better.
But better, he says.
It's gonna be some stupid shit.
I got a
I'm already in
bad
the damn
feeling
game.
about this. Alright, Jacob. Since today I didn't have a 6th period, and my 3rd period is a TA period, I was playing Left4Dead 2 on my laptop all day.
You bring your
He
laptop
did
to
nothing
school?
all day.
Yeah. Patrick, you don't bring your laptop to school, do you?
No. Because I have a crap top, and there's no reason for me to bring it.
Wait, Patrick, did you see the period that he was playing Left 4 Dead 2 in?
Nobody texted me during my history class. And I'm like, nigga, shut the fuck up! Because that was when my final was starting.
Nah, you love me.
Yeah, I know.
Right through the fire. I can't even get close to you. I hate fire.
Oh, there's fire everywhere! I lost a lot of people.
I'm being a cheeky goon a little bit, so. Oh, shit. I started chainsawing Coke.
Take up! Take shit out!
We don't take team damage, you retard. No, you don't.
Jeez. It's a bloody mess in here now. Wait, take a second. Look at the freaking elevator now. Oh,
Holy
our blood cleans up quickly.
Oh shit.
Look at that, come here.
Hey, seriously?
Stupid. Close it on yourself. Hey.
Hey, I need everybody inside, Dad! You guys aren't so damn bad.
What, Patrick? Patrick, it's not a big dick contest.
Yeah, it is.
Patrick, you lose.
I already won, Nick. Now go look who's at the top of the scoreboards.
It says you're the biggest bitch in the world.
Why you win? Oh, you fucking damn it, Coach.
For a second, I thought the screen was like shaking, and I thought we had a fight to take.
Oh, dude, that'd be amazing. Nobody fucking throw any
Dude, it
projectiles.
sucks going against tanks when you're doing the last man standing.
Go, you guys are going against tanks.
He's fighting.
No, there's a tank. I hear the music.
It's not a tank.
Okay. So when the tank shows up and rapes your asshole. Have fun.
Just don't see any tanks, Jacob.
I hear the music.
It's not a tank.
Hey, watch out!
Like, if you stand still and see the shaking of your screen, then yeah. There'd be tanks. Okay, now
Holy
there's...
shit. Told you.
Yeah, now there is.
Kill it!
No, there was a tank the entire time, you fool. Just because your screen isn't shaking right away doesn't mean it's going there.
Oh, crap, okay.
What happened?
My screen was like lagging out.
Why did Nickel be the one to get a command? Why was Nickel the one to get that touch?
Not the tank one.
Got the boomer.
I've already done this with you, huh? I've done this to you. I've done this.
Why is your character just shouting tank now, Jacob?
Motherfucking coke bomb.
Oh, there's Hitler. Hitler's right there.
Right there. Fuck you, Hitler! Oh, is it dead?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fast.
Go.
Over the hedge.
That's
when you
enough.
guys are ready.
What do you mean?
I'm already right here at the door. Wait.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, you just jump over the hedge right there, stupid.
Why is Coach taking 10 fucking years? Jesus Christ. Not that retarded.
Jacob, you're just like I hate this channel.
Ron, get it!
Is Coach here?
Yeah!
You got away from the homie boat.
Coach was here before you were!
Oh yeah, I know. I'm
Like,
making
I
sure
got
he
away
gets
from
in.
my homie Coach. Coach was already in. What the fuck?
Yeah, he was all the way over there, so I was making sure that
No,
he got
he was
in. God, Jacob, you suck.
Nah, you
For a dude that kept
21
calling out,
damage.
oh, there's a tank. You really suck at finding it. And look at that 1 point.
Dude, there were 2 witches. Patrick killed the whole thing, and I killed another one.
But guess
Well,
what?
Nick,
I got
Nick
1 point.
pointed at it and called it a mean name.
Huh?
He called
There's
it
it.
Hitler.
Ow, my feelings.
Oh, I'm gonna get this chainsaw. I'm gonna get that chainsaw. I'm gonna get that chainsaw. I'm gonna get that
You're
chainsaw.
such an idiot.
Dude, look at all the chainsaws.
God, Nick, look at all the shits that we're given.
I can quickly give a shit. Wait.
Yeah!
¡Ah, la ciudad! ¿Dónde es? ¿Dónde es la Hitler?
Where the hell
On
did
the
Jackass
floor!
go? Where the hell are you?
On the floor, you bastard.
Well, I'm kind of covered in boomer goo at the moment, so...
I got smacked off by a charger. He missed me. Smacked off the edge.
Oh, look at how this guy died. He's trying to climb the tree.
Okay, well, it wasn't me being alive. It was me being uncertain.
No, you were 100% sure.
No.
You said it. Nick, what's going on? Waiting to... What? Get it, buddy?
What's up? Can't catch me. Nope.
Oh, snap! Coach is down.
Got him.
Just hit the escalator. Come on, boys.
Coach is being stupid.
Or we could just leave him.
If he's being stupid, we can leave him for dead.
But he's my friend.
But he can just respawn,
He's
remember
my
that?
friend. You can respawn. Coach, get up here. Stop trying to play with Foxy. Broken.
Bloody bah! You, Rochelle, stop having your fucking experience.
Jacob, don't speak phone. I won't get it before 30th.
Patrick,
Boy, I don't talk about nasty private things.
Go ahead and
Nico, pills, 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 I'm trying to... Nick,
I can't.
Nick, right there.
I know. I'm trying to get rid of all this shit.
Right there. Get it. First it down and then pills.
Coach is down.
And then grab a thingy over here.
Ha! And I got a smoker on me.
Okay,
Oh, there's a smoker on it? Oh, crap.
Jaboc.
I'm going to get him.
Nick, tank!
How far is he? I can make it.
You got him, but I can't fight him.
Nick, help me out with the tank!
There's a tank? Ah, damn it.
Dying!
Shit!
Tank's already dead.
Help Jaboc.
I know, I'm
No,
trying
I'm
to.
dead. You guys fucking lost.
Defibrillator here.
No, I'm
I
right
died.
here.
Bye.
Come on.
But I found it. I had a
You did.
defib. Oh.
Have-
Nick, go pick up Coach. Go pick up Coach. Right
Kinda hard to kill.
I'm down.
Touch it.
Where are you getting bit?
Yes.
Why?
You know what? I tried, okay?
But you could have jumped off the railing over there.
I'm not gonna sacrifice all of my goddamn...
Get it up!
Coach, come on, get him. Coach, get him. Coach, kill him. Kill the hunter. Kill the hunter, Coach.
Yes, 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 yes. Up.
Oh my god! MLG! MLG!
Yeah,
Luck mode. And there's a jockey.
Rip.
Alright, all of them are on the ground floor. Let's start getting... Oh, tank's here, tank's here.
Fuck!
Tank right beside the elevator, tank right beside the elevator.
Alright. Check out the tank. Go, boy. Oh, we got this. We got this. We got
Just this fool.
Yeah,
We got him. We got him. We got him. We got him. Alright, alright. Yeah, tank burger, boy.
I wonder how that tastes.
I got
Yeah,
this
that's
one.
not that
Still need 5
Oh,
more.
I got this. Okay.
Got it.
Patrick, don't worry, I got it. I picked up the rock.
Fuck!
It's on land.
Just 3 more.
Last
Got
one.
it.
Last one, last one, last one.
Oh!
Got it. Coach, no!
No! Let me die! No! Why are you fucking doing this?
Just get in here, you get out.
Everyone, come on, get in the car zone.
Made it.
Hey, we did it.
Now all we gotta do is do that on the fourth floor.
See how good that was?
Alright, so let's see. That was only 37 minutes.
Oh, I forgot I have this music as my credit song.
Each of us got a death. Oh yeah, hold on. I have the.
Cause you're the best around.
Disclaimer: I do not own the music being
Yes, he
played
does.
right now. No, I don't. Jacob, that could get you sued, by the way,
Nah, you...
because I'm linking it to your channel as well. Remember? All they would have to do is identify it.
Doo-doo.
Wait, but how would that
Sweet, sweet, sweet victory. Yeah. Most amount of comments killed, least amount of damage. Damn, coach.
I disturbed the witch
kill
the
the
most.
most teammates? I'm a selfish bastard.
Coach has the best accuracy.
Mm-hmm.
none of us had any accuracy.
Oh well, we
1300
got a
zombies,
perfect 1300.